EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to play Fantaisie Impromptu, the middle section by Chopin. We will begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on D. Second finger on E. First is on D. Third is on G. Fourth is on A. And together D and B, fingers 1 and 5. Fifth finger moves up to D. Fourth plays C. Third is on B. Second is on A. Third is on B, first is on G, and second finger crosses over the first to D. We will stop here and learn the left hand. To finish learning the rest of the song, please check the website for part 2. Left hand begins with second and first fingers on G and B. Fifth finger is on D, again G and B. Second finger plays C, first is on B, fourth is on E, third is on F sharp, first finger plays G, third is on F sharp, fourth is on E, and fifth is on D. 2 and 1 play G and B, fifth is on D, 2 and 1 play A and C, then G and B, fingers 3 and 1. First finger plays A, fifth is on D, second is on G, fifth is on D. First finger plays C, fifth plays D, second plays G, fourth plays E, fifth finger moves up to F sharp, 3 and 1, A and C. Fourth finger plays G, fingers 3 and 1 play A and C again, fifth finger plays F sharp, then A and C, fingers 2 and 1, fourth is on E, and first under the fourth on D. We will now combine hands together. Left hand is playing G and B, fingers 2 and 1, right hand plays D with first finger. Fifth finger plays D, and again G and B. Left hand second on C, right hand second on E. Left hand first on B, right hand first on D. Left hand fourth on E, right hand third on G. Left hand third on F sharp, right hand fourth on A. Together left hand first on G, right hand first and fifth on D and B. Third is on F sharp, fourth on E, fifth is on D. Now together left hand second and first on G and B, right hand fifth on D. Left hand fifth on D, 2 and 1 on A and C. Then G and B, fingers 3 and 1. Left hand first on A, right hand fourth on C. Left hand fifth on D. Left hand second on G, right hand third on B. Left hand fifth on D, left hand first on C, right hand second on A. Left hand fifth on D, left hand second on G, right hand third on B. Left hand fourth on E, right hand first on G. Together, left hand fifth on F sharp, right hand second on D. Left hand 3 and 1 on A and C. Fourth is on G. And again A and C. Left hand fifth on F sharp, 2 and 1 on A and C, left hand fourth is on E, and 1 under. We will stop here for part 1. Please see the website for part 2. Happy practicing!